Connecting with the spirit world through symbols, symbols have been a key part of human communication for thousands of years. From ancient cave paintings to the modern emoji, we have always relied on symbols to express complex ideas succinctly and accurately. That said, let's uncover the intriguing realm of symbolism in mediumship, a field where symbols form an integral part of communication to impart messages from the spirit world. The symbol in the context of mediumship is a tool or sign used by spirits to communicate with the medium. It can vary greatly in nature, ranging from an object, a number, an animal, a phrase, or even a specific sensation. It's important for the medium to build their own personal database of spirit symbols and their meanings. For example, you might come to understand that a rose symbolizes love or a departed loved one, while a buzzing sensation might signify a heightened or enthusiastic energy of a spirit. Symbolic communication can be felt too. Although we tend to focus on visual or clairvoyance for symbols, a buzzing or tapping sensation may be symbolic and mean something to the spirit and the medium. Why do spirits use symbols? Spirits often communicate with symbols because conveying information in the form of a symbol is easier and more efficient for them than trying to send a lengthy verbal message. Let's face it, if they no longer have physical bodies, they don't have a physical voice either. Yet their communication, through consciousness and symbols, can hold much information. Also, spirits are discrete non-physical beings, and communication is not always direct or linear. Symbols provide flexibility and enable the conveyance of complex messages with relative ease. Key aspects of symbol interpretation in mediumship. Just like deciphering a code, understanding the meaning of a symbol significantly depends on the medium's spirit symbol database. Here are some factors that influence their interpretation. With a 1. Personal experiences. Personal experiences and the knowledge of the medium influences the interpretation of a symbol. For instance, if a medium has a special memory associated with elephants, a spirit might use an elephant symbol to leverage on that existing connection. 2. Direct or literal meaning. At times, the symbol may carry its direct or literal meaning. If a spirit presents the symbol of a clock to a medium, it could possibly indicate the importance of time in a current situation. Or it could also refer to a much-loved family heirloom. The medium will have to bring their sense of knowing or clairsentience to the interpretation. 3. The spirit's identity and connection. The identity or the connection of the spirit to the medium or the sitter can affect the meaning as well. Recognizing who the spirit was can uncover the context of the symbol and its intent. Developing symbolic literacy. Understanding symbols in mediumship is crucial for a clear, accurate interpretation of the messages. Developing symbolic literacy involves regular practice and an openness to receiving diverse symbols. Remember, the more symbols a medium understands, and the more proficient they become at interpreting them, the more accurate and detailed the readings become. Symbolism plays an integral role in mediumship. Embracing symbols and working on understanding their meanings allows the medium to translate messages more efficiently and accurately. It bridges the communication gap between the physical and spiritual world, paving the way for a profound spiritual experience.